Diretso!
Take your route.
Swimming lane number 1 is De La Peña Jorge of Region 13. Lane 2, Tan Brian Tiot of Region 5. Lane 3, Suwaso Curl of Region 11. Lane 4, Tobesa Johan of Region 7. Lane 5, Teodoro Romeo Renzo of Region 5. Lane 6, Tamara Fritz of Region 7. Lane 7, Asensi JJ Morrison of Region 6. Lane 8, Bella